Hi everybody, this is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Venn Diagram. It's a relay writing game. I divide the class into two teams. This team is going to be writing here, this team is going to be writing here. And I usually show the students how to play by giving an example. Okay, so if you write a word like mouse right here, okay, the next student would come up and they would have to write a word that's related or associated with mouse. So they could write cheese. Okay? And then the third student would come up and they would have to write a word that's related to cheese, but it doesn't have to be related to mouse. Okay, so they could write pizza. So that would work. That would be a successful Venn diagram. And so the kids are just coming up, relay writing one word and sitting down until the diagrams are complete. So another way you could do it is you could also put some words in and have the students come up with the connecting word. So you could write Hawaii and Taiwan. You could have this all filled out before class starts, and then the kids would have to come up and they would have to fill in the blanks. So if they put country, for example, it would be wrong. They would have to write island down.
He's trying again. Okay.
Okay. Usually Carson beats me in most games.
Not this time. Okay,
Not
so.
this one.
All right. Thanks for watching.